I'm Jonathan Stocks, and you are watching another episode of Travel Hodgepodge, also known as THP. Boom! Yes! Welcome back, everybody, and have I told you how great it is to see you again? Because it is! Today is Monday, so you guessed it, we have another Minute Monday for you. So why don't we continue on with our New York food tour and find some mujeres at La Esquina. I'm not really sure, but what I do know is that La Esquina in Espanol means the corner. And as you can see on the map, it is... La Esquina is fairly traditional, offering tacos, quesadillas, soups, and elote, which is a Mexican style of corn. For drinks, they offer a full bar, offering half off the margarita they call the Te Amo margarita, and I'm not sure why.
Hi, I love you, I love you, I love you.
They also have delicious agua frescas and Mexican Coke, and if you're not familiar with Mexican Coke, it is Coca-Cola that costs $1 more. We sampled the tacos de bistec con queso, which is a ribeye cut, and it was one of the juiciest tacos that I've ever had in my life.
That's really good.
Okay, let me try. Wow. There is so much flavor in that.
And we also tried the elote, which is a grilled Mexican style of corn that has mayonnaise, chili powder, and cotija Mexican cheese on it. Most of my viewers on here are Disney travelers, and if you're in Disneyland California Adventure, they make a fantastic elote. I'm not just saying that because it's Disney, it really is one of the best that I've had. I really hope you enjoyed today's video because I really enjoyed making it. So hit that subscribe button, press the like button if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to tune in next week for our next Minute Monday. Until then, I'm Jonathan Stocks, and you can find me at facebook.com/travelhodgepodge. It says right here, mujeres is Spanish for, oh.